Hey Crafty Cuties, today we are going to head into Joann's, and I hope that we have better luck than we did at my last Michael's shop with me. I'm just hoping to see some new Tim Holtz items and just something new and refreshing. I'm not looking for anything in particular, so let's go ahead and go on in. Alright, the first aisle that caught my eye is this clearance aisle, and it looks like they actually have a ton of Tim Holtz on clearance. So I'm guessing that means maybe they have some of the newer stuff, but yeah, feeling like I'm gonna get these. So I think $3.47 is close to half off. I think these are normally $6.99, so not bad, I guess. Sometimes I wish clearance was like a little bit less expensive than it would be if you were to use like a coupon, but you know, oh well, I shouldn't be complaining. Okay, so this is just some regular. I am actually needing some Heidi Swap, I don't know if it's Glimmer Mist, but it's the gold spray, and I don't think it's sold in stores, or at least I can't find it, so let me know if you know where to get it. Ooh, this is getting me excited because I love these, but I can't remember if I have a bunch of these in my stash, so I shouldn't really buy too much because I need to like go through my stuff and see what I have. But anyways, this is pretty cool. Some ink. Let's go try and find some of the newer items. Oh boy, this is normally where the Tim Holtz is. And it's empty, so I guess that means that's all there was. Ah, such a bummer. I mean, oh well. I feel like these stores are letting me down. I haven't been shopping for 2 months, guys. We have all the alpha stickers. Don't care about those. Don't care about this. Although, maybe let's see if they have any new paper pads. They should, since I haven't been here for 2 months. But to be honest, most of these paper pads look like the ones that have been out. Now this is a smaller Joann. This is not like a superstore. So I'm pretty sure I saw some brand new paper pads out of Joann's in a picture somewhere or something like that, so that might be the problem. But this is kind of a cool, I think I've seen this or not, but it's a really big paper stack with travel-y kind of papers. And this would be cute if you're making a journal. You could use these papers to make tags and embellishments and things like that, because there is a lot of map pages. So that's kind of cute. Not bad for, it'd be like, what, $8? Let's check out the Mrs. Sparkle & Co. This brand actually makes my favorite double-sided tape. It's this right here. This is the best double-sided tape that I've found. And it comes in different sizes. And I hope that they carry it for a while because it's such good tape. And yeah, so it's $1.99, but then it's 30% off, and they usually have, I feel like they usually have some kind of sale, but let's see, binder clips, doily. I just made a doily embellishment video not too long ago, if you haven't seen that one. Yeah, I'm kind of underwhelmed here, guys. Ooh, these are kind of cute. I love bags like this, glassine bags, I guess, and I always want to find these. I never find too many, so those are kind of cute. Here's another print. These are like birthday prints. So I just found these 2 different prints. Pretty cute, but I'm not in love. Oh, maybe there's a couple more. These are like a wood grain. Let's see. Alright. Well, let's see if we can find anything else. Okay, let's see if we can find any cute charms or beads. They usually have a pretty good selection here of that. So these look like they are 50% off right now, and they are pretty well stocked. I think this is one of my favorite beads that I have found here. Super cute, little mushrooms. They go cute with like a botanical type themed journal, like for a tassel or a charm on the side. I also really like the peace signs. Okay. Decided I would look at the fabrics really quick. I definitely want to make a lot of my baby nursery things, and I really want to learn how to make baby leggings, but I'm gonna wait probably until baby's born so that we know if it's a boy or girl. Buy my muslin. I usually get one that's $2.99 a yard, and then I'll wait until they have like a 60% off coupon. And they have some cute garden stuff out. Well guys, I think that this clearance section is the most exciting part of the store right now. I actually put these back because I just feel like I didn't find anything else, so I don't really think I'm going to buy them. But this is a good deal. This is like a fuser, so you can fuse plastic, your own plastic sleeves. I have one, and I would definitely pay $14.47 for it. Alright guys, so that's everything for Joann's. Yeah, I'm really bummed because I was hoping that I would find at least some new Tim Holtz, since it looks like they were clearancing out a bunch, but maybe that means that it's coming really soon. I thought that the newer Tim Holtz line was like already out. I think someone mentioned to me that it is available on scrapbook.com, and maybe it's just available at certain locations if it is out. Let me know if you've seen the newer Tim Holtz items in any of your stores. I would love to know. But that's it for this shop with me. Hopefully we'll have better luck at the next place that we go shopping. See you guys later. Bye.